Ryan, should I protect him? Should I drink with him? Why? Thanks. No, I just can't seem to win. Tell you what, I'm too old for this. You treat me like I'm some kind of a kid.
Well, he's right.
Man, you can't just leave this unresolved. I can't talk to him. He's a coach. I'm a football player. He can't talk to me.
Get that monkey.
Have you tried?
Get him.
I tried with you.
I can't understand how hard it is to get
Respect as a female teacher, Jeff. I know. You gotta try getting respect as a football player sometimes.
Okay, let's play the board. Let's start again.
Truth?
Truth.
Okay. Tom Blake, freshman quarter.
Dan Carter, cheerleader.
No, get the monkey.
47-6, state finals, 1975, a game. You know, we thought we had a real chance. That was our best team ever. You threw for 5 touchdowns, 420 yards in the air. I mean, you decimated us. You decimated my boyfriend. And you have no idea what you did to me.
Are you telling me this is all about a grudge?
A grudge? No. I cut your picture out of the sports page. I made my girlfriend drive past your farm with me. I used to call your house and hang up. I was nuts about you. Is it hard?
Not my hand, the monkey.